This two-door, two-passenger coupe is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, high-intensity discharge headlights, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.